Hi, my name is Chris Silcott, and I'm an operations engineer here at Duke University. My primary job is to operate the steam, chilled water, and hot water plants here on campus. I work for Facilities Management Department, specifically DUES, which stands for Duke Utilities and Engineering Services. DUES' primary responsibility is the engineering, construction, design, operations, and maintenance of all utilities on campus that keep Duke University running 24/7, 365. Today, we're going to take a look into the steam and the chilled water plants here on campus. We're going to start today by talking about our steam distribution system. We generate steam at 125 psi at approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a number of uses. The primary uses of our steam are sterilization, heating, domestic water, and humidity control. We generate steam from two steam plants, our West Campus steam plant and our East Campus steam plant. These two plants are connected by a network of piping and distribution tunnels throughout campus. The West Campus steam plant is located in the heart of the medical precinct and is our major workhorse plant of steam generation. The West Campus steam plant has not stopped operation since the 1920s, although we completed a major renovation in 2012 to that plant as well. Both of these plant renovations consisted of a conversion from coal to natural gas. A recent survey has indicated that nearly half of our campus does not need the high temperature of steam. The part of campus that does is primarily the medical precinct, which has allowed for an opportunity for us to convert the rest of campus over to hot water. There are several reasons why we would convert our buildings from steam over to hot water. Number one, it's safer. There's no risk of a catastrophic water hammer. It's less expensive. It requires less space in the buildings, which gives architects freedom to design the buildings the way that they would like to without having to accommodate mechanical spaces. It also costs less to maintain, and it's more energy efficient. As far as the future of steam here at Duke University, we're focusing right now on shifting our production of steam over to the West Campus where it's truly needed. This will allow us to eliminate the 2-mile interconnected piping between East and West Campus and eventually produce only hot water on East Campus. We're also maximizing the amount of buildings on West Campus that we can convert to hot water as well. We're looking closely into the use of solar energy and how we might utilize solar energy in a utility atmosphere. And we're also focusing on heat recovery chillers and the opportunity for heat recovery chillers to provide waste heat into our hot water system. Our chilled water system consists of 3 utility plants that produce 39-degree chilled water out to campus. The primary uses of this chilled water are for temperature control, humidity control, and process uses as well in the research and lab precincts. We have over 14 miles of distribution piping that ranges from 24 to 36 inches in diameter. Chilled water came to Duke University in the year 2000 with the construction of chilled water plant number 1. It was soon after that we identified the need for growth on campus of our chilled water system. So we built chilled water plant number 2 in 2005. About 5 years later, in 2010, we expanded chilled water plant number 2. And then in 2020, just this year, we started up and commissioned our 3rd chilled water plant, plant number 3 off of Anderson Road. So where's the future of chilled water headed at Duke University? Well, currently we're looking forward to optimizing 3-plant operation with the addition of chilled water plant number 3. We're also doing plenty of research into the addition of heat recovery chillers that will capture that waste heat being sent out to the atmosphere and bring that heat in, and we can use it as a low-grade heating source. We're also in the design phases of a 4 million gallon thermal storage tank near chilled water plant number 3. That tank will allow us to store 39-degree water, and during the peak times of a hot day, we can exhaust that tank as opposed to using electricity to generate that chilled water. We hope you enjoyed learning just a little bit about our steam and chilled water plants and what we do here in Facilities Management Department. For more information, visit facilities.duke.edu. Go Duke!